Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. First thing first, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. Click on that, click it, it's free. Also subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here and you want to come and join my family, my journey, my crazy ride on this journey to become debt free, welcome. I'm excited for everybody that is new here and everyone that is old. Also, I'm thankful and grateful for you guys, like my OGs. Like literally, thank you for everybody. Today we're cash stuffing our rent slash bill binder, and I'm so excited because we are cash stuffing our last envelope, which is our rent, and it only needs $20. But first thing first, let's count how much money we have today. I hope you guys are doing great on this lovely Thursday. I am so excited to cash stuff, you guys. We are completing our envelope 3 days earlier. I believe 3 days, right? Yes. 3 or 4 days early. Can't think. I think today is the 20 something, but I don't know exactly. But anyways, it's between 3 to 4 days early. So that's exciting. All right, we got 20, 40, 60. Okay. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 100, 10, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 125 to cash stuff today. Yay, awesome. Okay, let's go ahead. Give me 1 second. Let me close my door. All right. Sorry. So hubby is trying to do laundry early in the morning and he is moving the little basket. So yes. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Happy that I'm able to complete this cutie patootie early. Yes. So if you're new here, hubby and I, we split rent and bills, and that's all that I help him out. Everything else he pays for example, grocery, eating out, any activities, clothes for the kids. I mean, you name it. I do help him here and there when it comes to some clothes and school stuff, but like anything essential or anything in general, he buys for. So I do help him out and stuff like that. But the thing that I for sure help him out, and we're 50-50, is with rent and bills, and that's just how it has always worked best for us. And yeah. So yay, you guys, we have officially completed this one. So excited. All right, next is going to be our binder here. This is also 7 challenges. They are towards my debt as well, more like the bigger challenges, and also some of those envelopes here with some challenges. I do use that money towards anything that I may need or something that I'm saving in advance. I do want to let you guys know, you see this jumbo clip? Okay, you guys remember the little butterfly jumbo that I had here? Well, last night I like twisted it to fix it and I broke it, you guys. I'm so sad, but I did order something else from her new collection, the little like bumblebee collection. I think it's so cute. So hey, I have new paper clips coming from Coco. But I'm so sad. I told her, I was like, can you please make another one? Like, I'm like, can you bring it back to your website? And she was like, girl, I don't know, I don't have any more. She was like, I can look through my stash, but I don't have any more. And I'm like, I'm so sad. So I ordered some other jumbos and the bees, and yeah. So yeah. So I was like, okay, it is what it is. That's just my fault. My luck on that. All right, so here we go. So those two are my main priority right now for those that are new. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, we're gonna go to the one in the back, which is this right here, the Hello Kitty. Love. I mean, come on, you can't say no to the jumbos. They're so beautiful. I love it. Obsessed. So this right here, I am saving $900. I know it is a big amount, but I do half, you guys. Half of the number, which if you guys can't even do half, you can do divided by 3. So, you know, or something like that. Something that can work best for you. So half of 75 will be 37, 20, 30, 35, 36, and 37. And I am a low income, as you guys can see, or low budgeter, and so I don't have that much money And so I try to see what works best for me. I make it work. I have to make it work. And yeah, and trust me, we all can do stuff like that. So yeah, so there is that, you guys. We are so close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. We need 4.5 and we should be done. OMG. I might take this money to the bank. I might deposit and then withdraw so I can get so I can get $100 bills. You know, there's something, can I tell you guys something? I don't like going to the bank. I do not like going to the bank, inside the bank. So I have not gone to the bank like inside physically in about 1.5 years. I only do the ATM. I don't know, I just can't. I don't like seeing people inside. I don't like them seeing me, because like, believe it or not, so if you are new here, I'm a server, right? So every time when I used to go inside the bank, you know, there's always new people and stuff like that. They don't know you, but the people that do know you, they know what you do. So every time when I will bring like 300, 200, sometimes 400 of money like this, 5s, 10s, 1s, mainly, you know, people love to leave 1s. They look at you so funky. They probably think I was like the person in the pool, you know. I don't know if now that I'm monetized, I don't know if I can say certain words, so you know what I'm talking about. The person in the pool, okay? Like, ooh, you know? And I look at them weird and they look at me weird, because, you know, I'm like, whatever you're thinking does not match with what I do. I'm a server. Sometimes I would tell them, oh my gosh, I was like, serving today was good or something like that. And then they'll be like, oh, okay. Like, you know, like, oh, she's a server. Like, I don't know how to tell you. I know I don't need to explain myself, but to people, but I don't like people thinking something that is not truth or something. I don't know. So anyways, so that's why I don't like going to the ATM. All right, this one is actually gonna get a 20, you guys. So for a moment, my dermatologist, I will make an appointment soon because I'm so close to it, but let's see how much we have. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, all right, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65. So yeah, I can go ahead and make an appointment because I think it's 155, so I have $5 more, but I will definitely go ahead and make an appointment. I'm gonna call again and make sure how much that first appointment is, so I can go ahead and call and, you know, get that checked out. If you're new and you're wondering, I have like a little mold on my shoulder for a few years, actually, for like more than 3 years, but recently, about 1.5 years, it's been growing, and I don't know, it looks weird, and so I'd rather just get it checked out and see what's going on. I am worried, I'll be honest. It has taken me a while to go, but you know, I gotta do what I have to do, because, you know, I have kids, I have family, I love my family, I love my parents, my little sister. So if you follow me on Instagram, we're gonna add a 5. If you follow me on Instagram, some of you guys were like, wait, what? Hold on, rewind. You have a sister? And yes, I've talked about it a few times a while ago. Let me actually make this smaller. Let me make this smaller. Let me add 5 here, add a 10. Okay, so we can have some change for the other ones. So yes, I do have a little sister. She's actually a half sister. She's a rainbow half sister. My other half sister, she would have been the same age as Eric. Me and my mom were praying at the same time. I know, it's weird. Trust me, I was freaked out. I was weird. My mom thought I was jealous. My parents thought I was jealous. No, I was not jealous. It just was weird. Okay, that's it. So they were only going to be 4 months apart, but unfortunately, my other half sister, she died. Her like cord, the cord got it got on her neck, like, you know, around her neck, and killed her, because, you know, the cord got on her neck. And she would have turned 8 this year. So sad. It didn't happen. And since then, my parents had been trying to have a baby. They had few losses, few miscarriages, I will say. And we're gonna add a 10 because this is Mother's Day saving, and I don't know what I'm gonna get my mom, but I need to start saving sooner. And so they had a few miscarriage. This is a little bit too much personal stuff, but I just want to let you guys know. They had a few miscarriage, but next thing you know, a few years later, now, boom, here comes my little sister. So yes, so my little sister will be turning 3 this year, and she's a rainbow baby. So yeah, so that's exciting. Alex was trying to come in and talk to me, but I'm recording. We're almost done. And yeah, so yes, I do have a little sister. I know that age gap is like huge. When I tell people, they're like, oh, bless your mom. Yeah, I get it, bless my mom. But, you know, she's okay. She's happy. And yeah, that's all that matters. Trust me. When my little sister passed away, the other one, the first one, oh, it hit my mom pretty bad. I mean, she got into depression. I mean, you name it, poor mom. And yeah, so trust me, now she completes the family, and she's worse than my kids. Oh my gosh, that's all I will say. You know, if you have boys, you know boys are fun. They say boys are fun. Well, my little sister, it's a little bit worse than my kids. They kind of match each other's energy, but man, can I say, wow. Let me add a 10 on this. Maybe I will use this money towards Mother's Day. I don't know, towards something when I complete it, but I need to complete something fast because Mother's Day is coming. Same thing with Father's Day, you guys. Oh my gosh. But yeah, but anyway, so yeah, so there's that. Okay, awesome sauce. All right, so in this one we only need 3 left, which is the 15, 15, and 10. How exciting is that? We're almost done. Awesome sauce. I need to change my envelopes. I'm getting tired of my envelopes. I know. Okay, let me actually do a little giveaway. Okay, let me give away the little Christmas envelope here. This one will be for $150. Is this the Mickey and Minnie and Pluto? I mean, Donald Duck, you name it. It is so stinking cute. It's just a little thank you and appreciation for you guys for supporting and showing love. It is, this one is mine. I will create you one for you, of course. But this one is the way how the bat looks. And then it's like an envelope created for you to stuff your money after you save. Let's see, look. So it's gonna look like this when it is completed and you put it in your binder. Okay. Oh, I can't do this like that. Okay, there you go. So it's gonna look like so. So if you want to enter for this, you can just comment Christmas, and you will save. I mean, you will enter for this for Christmas. Okay, so let me know if you want to enter for that. And yeah, so super cute and fun. I think it's cute and fun. So yeah, so it's like a little thank you, little giveaway that I like to do here and there. Okay, guys, I don't know how much money I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12. We're not gonna do this one though. Let's skip this one. Oh my goodness. All right, let's skip it because it's a little bit of a higher number and I don't have much. Easter is gonna get $4, so let's do $4 for Easter. This is gonna be for Eric's little birthday. He's turning 8 next month. So yeah, so there's that. I'm gonna give him $20. I already bought him 2 Pokemon stuff that he wants, like cars, so I got that already. But then I also want to give him $20 so he can get the hang of how to use money, if that makes sense. So, you know, because he knows that if he does chores on Saturdays, last Saturday he didn't do any because I woke up super early. I woke up like 5 in the morning and I did it. I started cleaning at that time. We're gonna add $3 on this one for this Hello Kitty one. It will save me $80. I do have it on my Etsy shop. And so he didn't help me out this Saturday, last Saturday, because, you know, I woke up early. But he knows now that if he helps me out with chores on Saturdays, he's gonna get $5 allowance. And so he's starting to save that. And so now for his birthday, I'm gonna give him $20. He can spend it whenever, however he prefer. We're gonna skip Pinocho because it's a higher number, and we're gonna skip my birthday because it's a higher number. So let's add to 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, okay, so this work. I'm gonna add $1 to Dylan, who's my youngest. So yeah, so I do have already $20 in there, but I'm gonna add just a little extra for just in case his birthday, anything. I don't know if I need to buy a candle or whatever, or the cake. Oh my gosh, yeah, something. So I need to add more to it. All right, Eric is my oldest, who's turning 8. That's him. And then hubby's gonna get $3 because Father's Day is coming up too. Let me see how much I actually have now on his envelope. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. $27. So not bad. I need to stuff this more. All right, guys. So there you have it. My cash stuffing Thursday. Hope you enjoyed that video. And I'm so excited for you to spend your time with me, because you know your time is precious. And you guys know that. And I appreciate all of you guys for the love, for the like, for the comment, for even just a silent viewer, for anything. I appreciate all of you guys. And I'm happy to have you guys here. And yeah, I see you guys tomorrow for me Freebie Friday. So I'm so excited. Freebie Friday. Okay, guys. Thank you for the love and support. See you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love you.